Oh, I can't wait for this new Christmas present. I wonder what it's gonna be. Oh, it's a hairdryer. I've been needing this for so long. Can't wait to try this out. Time to try out this new hairdryer then. Let's try it out. What the hell? What's wrong with this hairdryer? Susan!
What's all of this commotion?
Have a look at this, York. This hairdryer.
Can you look at that? What the fuck?
I'm taking this hairdryer back to the shop now to get it fixed. I'm sick of this hairdryer. Wish I never got it in the first place. I want you to have a look at this shock.
It looks perfect. What's the problem?
So why don't you turn it on and have a look there?
Alright. Jesus, what was that? I'll bring it in to Stephen the technician.
Sure, I told you, like.
Hey Stephen, have a look at this, lad. There's something wrong with it.
What do you mean there's something wrong with it? What seems to be the trouble?
Just have a look at it, man. Turn it on.
Plug it in there. Goodness gracious! Oh, I don't know what we can do with this now. Might have to bin it. Oh, Jesus, I don't know how we can fix this. I think it's on now.
Bin it, lad, bin it.
Leave it and bin it. It's a waste.
See what we can find today. Oh my god, the brand new Nikes. Oh. A hairdryer? Wonder what this will do for me.